Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Mark McDonald, Interim President of the BC Wildlife Federation.
And I'm Lisa Stevens, Women's Program Coordinator, and we'd like to welcome everyone to the final draw of the 2024 Spring Fishty-Fifty Lottery.
We'd like to thank everybody that's bought tickets from the lottery here and all of the different vendors for supporting us with prizes.
We're drawing 3 prizes today, plus the Fishty-Fifty jackpot.
Our grand prize today is a 16-foot Gel-X G5 boat from Boat Bliss Marine with a Tohatsu 90 horsepower motor, caravan trailer, double console with full glazing, and a Rapala fishing package.
The winner is 3, 2, 1. Congratulations to V. Romano of Creston, BC.
Our last draw today is our Fishty-Fifty jackpot. There were over $302,000 worth of tickets sold total. So our winner's jackpot today is $151,150.
And the winner of this draw is 3, 2, 1. Congratulations to Jay Seacon of West Kelowna, BC.
I'd like to take a moment to thank all of our ticket purchasers and all of our sponsors. Thank you very much for helping support all of our great conservation initiatives. Keep your eyes open. We will be running our upcoming fall lottery soon.